Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about cell structure. Basic cell contains cell membrane, which is the outermost membrane of the cell, and protoplasm. That is, everything which is present inside the cell except cell membrane comes under protoplasm. Protoplasm is living material of a cell, or the entire content of the living cell includes cytoplasm and nucleus is called as protoplasm. Protoplasm is further divided into two parts, that is cytoplasm and nucleus. So let's discuss about cell membrane first. The outermost body of a cell is called cell membrane. Cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. It is present in both plants and animals. This membrane is living, thin, and delicate. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane and it allows the transmission of very few molecules across it. The plasma membrane or the cell membrane is porous and allows the movement of substances or material in and out of the cell. So what is the function of a cell membrane? Cell membrane provides support to cell. It is helpful in exchange of materials. It gives shape to the cell. Now let's discuss about cell wall. It is the outer to cell membrane and it is a dead and freely membrane. That means that all substances can pass through it. It is thick layer and present only in the cells of plants. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, but in fungus cells, it is made up of chitin. In addition to cell wall, cell membrane is also required by plants for protection against variations in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. So what is the function of this cell wall? It provides mechanical support to cell. It allows all the substances to pass through it, and it helps in maintenance of the shape of a cell. So this is all for the video. Thank you so much.